Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Denis and today I'm gonna show you how to edit jungle shots like this in Lightroom. Okay, before we jump into Lightroom, I just wanted you to know that you can download this preset. You just have to read the description box below and just follow the steps. And basically that's it. Alright, let's jump into Lightroom now. So this is the photo that we're gonna edit today. You have to see it's a jungle shot, so we have to make it moody, I guess. First of all, we're gonna bring down the exposure to -40. We're gonna leave the temperature at 6550 and the pink to +30. Next thing we're gonna do, we're gonna bring the contrast up to +16. We're gonna drag the highlights down to -20. Bring the shadows up to +10. Whites down to -15. Blacks up to +35. Alright, next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna bring up the texture up to +8 and clarity up to +26. Okay, so next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna go to color, the red color first. We're gonna bring the hue up to +5. Saturation of the red down to -10. And the luminance up to +5. We're gonna go to orange color next. So we're gonna bring the saturation of the orange to +5. Yellow color next. We're gonna bring the hue of the yellow to +15. Saturation of the yellow down to -20. We're gonna leave the luminance there. We're gonna go to the green color next. So the green here is really important. So first of all, we're gonna make sure that the luminance is down to -76. The tones are changing quite a lot. And now we're gonna bring the saturation down of the green to -30. This leaves the really cool effects, I think, on the leaves and all the plants. We're gonna leave to -30. We're gonna bring the hue up to +4. Okay, so aqua color next. We're gonna bring hue up to +5. Saturation down to -81. And luminance down to -5. Okay, blue color next. We're gonna bring the saturation of blue down to -15. And luminance down to -10. Purple color next. We're gonna bring the saturation of purple down to -10. Everything else we leave it like this. And magenta color as well, hue up to +10. Okay, so next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna go to split toning. We're gonna bring the highlights hue up to 101 and the saturation of highlights up to +7. Okay, we're gonna go now to shadows. We're gonna bring up the shadows hue up to +62 and the saturation of shadows up to +5. That gives a really nice tone, I think. We can check before and after. This is just a small detail that changes the photo, trust me. Okay, so next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna go to detail. Sharpening, we're gonna leave at 40. And we're gonna bring down the vignette to -26. Because this is a really like a moody shot, you have to make it moody, you have to make it dark, and especially like the vignette tool is a super cool tool to make it look like really dark and tony. Okay, and the last thing that we have to do is we have to go to tone curve. Just one thing about the tone curve. I think tone curve is really underrated. You can do so many great things with a tone curve, so make sure to do it exactly the same how I do it here in the tutorial. You can copy the tone curve, just like watch how I do it, or you can either download the preset. The link is down below, like I said it already. But anyway, let's go to tone curve. I'm just gonna copy now the settings from the previous photo, so I make sure that I don't make any mistake, because I want that my edit looks exactly the same as this one. Ta-da! Alright guys, I just copied the tone curve from the previous photo, so now it looks like this. Make sure to make the tone curve exactly like this. So this is the RGB tone curve. This is the red tone curve. It's just like a slightly little difference towards down. If you find it too hard, just make sure to download the preset. That's the green one, and the blue remains the same, exactly how it is. Alright, and that's it. This is before and after. Okay, so you can save these settings as a new preset and you can use it for any kind of shots you want for the jungle look. Don't forget to like and subscribe, guys, and see us in the next video. Thank you for watching.